everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video for you. This is the pretty little kit from the Scrappery Kit Club. So this is the second kit that I have subscribed to from the Scrappery. I am already subscribed to their main kit, which is the Scrappery kit. I was having trouble cutting into some of the big beautiful papers, so I decided to also subscribe to this one, and I have actually dug into this kit already, so I just wanted to quickly show you what the packaging looks like, and it is absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. I love the ribbon and the tissue paper, and even the business card I can use as a layering piece, which is awesome. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, I have a lovely stack of goodies here. As I did mention, I have used a couple of the things, but you'll still be able to see what's in it. I've just used a couple of little things out of this kit, so I'll just show you. Obviously I am going to keep the packaging, I'm going to keep the ribbon and the business card, and you get all this lovely black tissue paper, which comes in real handy for layering your photos on darker layouts. Especially with a kit like this, we have lots of dark navy blues. I have used this tissue paper in a couple of layers already, so it's definitely coming in handy. So now let's get into the actual kit. I should mention this is the Scrappery's take on a Project Life style kit, so a pocket page kit. I don't do Project Life, I don't do many pocket page layouts, I do a few. You will have seen one go up on my channel already just recently, but I don't do them regularly, I would say. So I got this more as sort of extra embellishments and layering pieces, really. There are lots of really nice goodies in here. It definitely doesn't need to be for Project Life if that's all you do. I thought this was a better match for me than the embellishment kit, just because there's more paper in this one, and I'm a sucker for paper. I can't get enough of paper. So let's zoom in. I'm going to start with the pretty little pieces, and this came in the main kit as well, but a little bit differently. I had a couple of different things in there. So you get lots of sequins, as you can see, and you get a little doily. You get the backing card, which is a nice black and white stripe with the Scrappery logo on it and the florals at the bottom. I use this. I've already used it a few times. I really like it as a layering piece. It's just a black and white stripe. It's really good for matting photos. It just goes with everything. I've found really handy. I want to show you what's in here without, I don't want to tip out all the sequins. So the sequins are really pretty. There's pinks and peaches, clear ones, little black ones, little silver ones, really nice little mix of colors there. And you also have this beautiful little blingy bow charm embellishment. Not really a charm, it's just sort of like a flat backed embellishment. But that's really cute and pretty, and I have a similar one in the main kit. So they seem to throw a sparkly, like a little sparkly extra in every one of these packs, which is really cute. And a teeny little tag as well. So this is black. The one in the main kit, the one that I got is white anyway. I don't know if they're all the same or if you just sort of get a random assignment. There's that, and I just want to mention too, the doilies are really nice. They're nice bright white, and they're nice and intricate, and they have that sort of thicker, solid, not flimsy, good quality feel to them. Along that vein, I have a few extra doilies. Mine are a little bit bent, unfortunately, but I think my package looked like it got manhandled slightly by Australia Post, so but that's fine. I tend to use these as layering pieces anyway, so I just sort of lay it over the dodgy bits. Doilies are so fragile. I think it's hard to keep them in good condition anyway. So in this kit I have 4 extra ones along with the one that's in the sequin pack. So there's a large one, 2 medium-sized ones, and then another small one. We also got these little tags from Dear Lizzie, and I've already busted into these. These are brilliant. They're like a little adhesive ticket pack, and they're all sort of attached, so they do perforate, so I do take my scissors and just sort of trim off the ends so they're nice and smooth, but they are self-adhesive, so they've just got a backing paper you peel off and stick down. Beautiful rose gold colours, so mine's broken up a bit because I've already been in here. So there's a bunch of different designs with rose gold, and then the navy blue, and that one's like fully rose gold, really pretty. Yeah, so there you go, and there's so many in here. So good for journaling, just if you just want to put the date and the time, date and location rather. So sometimes I just like to put, like for my kids, I've used one on a layout that I just put my son's name and the date the photo was taken, and because that's all I wanted to do on that layout, and they're just the perfect size for that. and they're so pretty, so versatile, and the colours make them a perfect match for this kit. Rose gold and navy blue, just gorgeous. There's lots of navy blues in this kit. So if you're looking on the website, this is the Skye kit, and it's full of Cocoa Vanilla Midnight collection. Absolutely stunning, just love it. And there's this one's got a couple of Pink Fresh goodies in there too, and I just think they've done such a good job at matching colours. And I'm not sponsored by these guys. I pay for all these kits with my own money. I don't get a discount. I'm not an affiliate, so I don't get a benefit if you sign up. I'm just really impressed. I'm really happy. There's not a lot of kit clubs in Australia that are easy to get, affordable, and these are based in Australia. They're based only a couple of hours from where I live actually, and the products are all beautiful, and the price just is really good value in my opinion. So next is a packet of Project Life cards, I suppose you would say, but I think they're just the smaller papers from the Midnight collection cut into Project Life size cards, which is awesome because I was having trouble with the main kit because I had to cut into my nice big 12 by 12 pages, and I was struggling to do that. So I needed some sort of smaller, papers to help me with like backing cut files and layering photos and things. So these are absolutely stunning. These are all 4x6, these big ones, and then we have a couple of 3x4s which are really good for journaling. So this one's just a grid pattern on either side. This one's ruled lines, and one is horizontal and the other side is vertical, which is awesome, so you can use it either way depending on what layout you've got. And then one's just blank, so you can rule your own lines or use it for whatever you want. I struggle sometimes finding cards to journal on, so I'll show you all these beautiful patterns. They're just single-sided, blank on the back, and they are just the smaller scaled down versions of the Cocoa Vanilla Midnight collection designs. So really beautiful colours and florals, lots of pinks and peaches and navy, and a lot of this sort of ombre and then mixed media sort of style. I love that wood grain script, like a diamond pattern. Love that one too. Ombre navy, a bit of a mixed media effect on that one, really lovely. That'd be awesome for a photo mat if you had a smaller photo and you could just mat it like that. And then you get the same cards as these in the 4x6, so the blank, the grid and the lines, and it's the same orientation, horizontal and vertical with that one. I'm really appreciating those. This is definitely going to help me break into my kit a little bit better. And then we have the Pink Fresh Studio Key Pies. So we have some enamel dots. Love these. I love the colours. I mean, look at, you couldn't get a more perfect colour match for this collection. They're just stunning. Lots and lots in there. There's 84 in there. This is from the Indigo Hills 2 collection. Love those colours. Absolutely beautiful. I love enamel dots. And then from that same Pink Fresh collection, we have the little mini puffy sticker alphas. So we have the soft purple, this really soft mint green. Then on the reverse, we have that peachy pink and navy blue. Perfect. Look at that. Going to get a lot of use out of those little alphas, and I really like the size of those. They're not really large title alphas. I suppose if you're doing a smaller format, if you like a traveler's notebook sort of format or a 6x8, they'd be a really good size for a title. I like them for sort of subtitles and like smaller words within a title, like the and that sort of thing. Moving on, these are this is the sticker sheet. So not the clear stickers, they're just the normal accessory stickers, and they're gorgeous, from the Midnight collection by Cocoa Vanilla Studio. You get lots of beautiful florals and butterflies, mason jars and things, a couple of labels, nice big title there, and then lots of these little word stickers, which I love these. These are like my jam. I love them. One of those makes it on nearly pretty much every layout I do, at least one. Zoom back out. You also get two large, well in this kit anyway, you get two large sheets of the 12 by 12 paper, and these are the cut apart sheets. So these are different to what comes in the main kit. These two sheets don't come in the main kit, so if you want these sheets you have to get the Pretty Little kit. So this is the reverse. Mine's just a little bit, it's from sitting in the box for too long. Left my box sitting at a bit too much of an angle for a bit too long, but they'll flatten out just fine. So this is the reverse side. They're both, well, that's a really beautiful background. It's a really soft peachy cream color on a white. Very easy to use as a background. And then this side is this really pretty pink with these tiny little X's in. It looks black, but it's navy. So that's really cool. I really like that. And on the other side, you have the cut apart. So this has 3 4x6s and then 6 3x4s just all different pattern cards. And then you also have this sheet which is lots of quotes and images, little wreath, these labels, which I love. These are one of my favorite things that come in a kit. I cut these out straight away. I love using these little labels and things like this, these little sort of quote squares. I cut them out straight away because I can always sneak one of those on a layout somewhere. Really love these colors. So these are really awesome. Like I said, you don't have to use this as a pocket page because you have the two big background papers, you have stickers, alphas, little enamel dots, and these are perfect for photo mats. So, you know, if you're just a normal 12 by 12 scrapbooker, this is more than, like, there's nothing that you couldn't use in here. So I really like that. That's super versatile. I really love this kit. Even if you just wanted to get this kit and not the main kit with a couple of sheets of white cardstock, you could quite easily make several layouts with this. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will leave all the links in the description box if you want to go have a look. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.